Hi, welcome to my YouTube saxophone class at Play It Better with Vickysax. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Vickysax and also turn on the notification bell for videos and more infos. Today, we are going to look into how to make a good sound, how to produce a quality sound from our saxophone. Most saxophonists find it difficult and hard to get a good production from their saxophone, and that is what we are going to look into today. To get a good production, your embouchure should not be too released. Shouldn't be too released. It should be as firm as possible. As firm as possible. Your embouchure should be as tightened as possible, not too tight to avoid a bad sound. But your embouchure should be as firm as possible, and that is when you produce a quality sound. So today I'm going to show you some example on my alto sax on how to get a good progression from your saxophone. And remember, your embouchure should not be too relaxed and not too tightened. Okay, I'll be playing my A on my alto sax. A on my alto sax. Now I will play the sound with my embouchure released, and I will play again with my embouchure being tightened as possible. You see it? Not to, it's very released. That's why it's not giving me the right sound I want. You see it? Now I will play the same A on my alto sax with my embouchure tightened as possible. Not tightened. Tighten. So, whenever you're playing, your embouchure should be as tightened as possible. That is when you can get a good production. And always remember, don't puff. No. If you're puffing, it's blast out. No, very wrong. So, getting a good sound, a good quality sound from your saxophone is your embouchure being firm as possible. I'm going to play a major scale, my D major scale on my alto sax with my embouchure being firm, and you listen to the sound. Now, I'm going to play it with my embouchure being released. You see the sound? It's not sounding well. So your embouchure must be as firm as possible. And remember, don't puff. So play it better with Vickysax.